Hello everybody, welcome back to another Leicester City Rebuild. We are in the quarterfinals of the Carabao Cup and we're facing Liverpool, so that's not good. We play. Sorry, I forgot I had to turn down my volume. Oh, top of the league without having to lose a single game, but without a single chance. I think I'm going to have to bring. I think I'm going to have to send some new players because I barely have a right. Because I barely have a player who can play at the right wing. So what's going to be the first problem? Cross ball through Vardy. Find an open crack and score. We are leading the second half has started. You gotta be kidding me. Can't I just go one day without a plane being sent off? Or in my case, one video of our play getting sent off. Over to Vardy. There's 3 minutes to say. That's not good. Get that ball out of here. They got another chance. Saved by the goalkeeper. They got another chance again. Saved. Kicked out. A 3-0 win. But there's some but we need to get better match fit players. To be fair, doing the money. Alright, the scout has changed some results. Yeah, next one I have more experience. Let's see, we're looking for a right back. Yeah, give us some right backs here. But they're too expensive, so we'll just continue our search for a right back. Still too expensive. Okay, I think I found the perfect one. I think they showing Japanese talent for only 7 million. Alright. Even though we sold a right back, doesn't mean it. Alright. This is another game. Can we score this free kick? Yes, we do. Another free kick. So from the goalkeeper and get in. And gets in. Another chance. Okay, that was a little too far. Keep it. We score yet another goal. While Leeds is getting 3-0. Waiting for another chance. But it doesn't get bonus sometimes. Oof. Ball still in play. Okay, make sure this one. Oof. We hit the pole. Here's the play. Score yet another goal. 4-0. Can we make it 5? It would have been 6 if we missed a chance. 5-0. We are dominating this game. Goals, but he didn't get man of the match. He's the top goal, or actually he's the second top goal scorer. But we still need to give that to his sister. We're almost clear. I think we should. Alright. What I'm looking to do is to sign a French talent. But in order to do that, we need to find a player. We need to sign a French player, we gotta sell another French player. But it's not enough, so we're going to sign the Nigerian just to make some space in the team. You asked me what kind of French player I'm trying to sign. I'm just need to sign this one last play. Sell is one last play. I think I know who I can sell. Wow. Oh, we got to sign him. Now this player is so good that I got to get him before it's too late. See. No. They can actually say Alexis McAllister, but I'm not looking for him. You can sign RIYAD MAHREZ, but no. The player I'm looking for is an ex player. No way to be fun. There he is. All of a sudden his market value may have dropped, but we just beg in 32. If they refuse, we just go for someone else. We just send RIYAD MAHREZ. Okay, let me just go low and see who I can sign. That will get us promoted. I can sign Gabriel Martinelli, but we broke. Maybe Alexis McAllister, but still too much. Maybe we can sign a decent player. Maybe we can sign RIYAD MAHREZ for 29 million. He's back at Leicester. Oh, that's the other weapon I have. Okay, so just to be clear, the right wing got right now. Gotta go. Now this money we can just see if we can sign a centre back. Let's see if we can improve our back line. To improve the back line, maybe if we was I think we can find a player who can release, who we can pay for the release, because maybe it's him. He's a Barcelona player, and he can accept the money. Yep, they accepted it. This team is becoming better by the minute. Need him now. Okay, so with Vardy, Real of this team, we're definitely going to proceed in the FA Cup. I'm interested in the Carabao Cup. Sorry if you may have saw that. Hill City. Alright, we've opened the defense up. Boom. And it's a goal. Well, in 1-0. But like I said, okay, we gotta improve the back line. We cannot be conceding silly goals if we want to go to the semi-finals of the Carabao Cup. Mahrez thinks outside the box. Here's the crossbar. But we're back in the game. Wait. I think I know. Okay. I have a game plan for when we get back in the Premier League. Open up the attack and we score yet again. 3-1. And probably the goal. The one trophy I want to win is the trophy that... No, never mind. After this game is going to be a hard and decisive game. But I've survived through West teams. So technically it can't be hard unless we don't lose a player in the Carabao Cup. So far we're doing good in this game. Alright, 6-5-1. Don't mind that notification. Hold on, just... Alright, we're back. Alright, the one trophy I want to win is the trophy that pops up on your screen. And the last EFL team to win it, and the last championship to win it, is playing League 1 football now. Or let's see what's going on. And it's the team that pops up in your screen. So there's only somehow Luton are in the quarterfinals. The only championship teams which are here are Middlesbrough and Leicester. Okay, so Spurs. So City are out, meaning we have a chance. Being one in the league, we face Blackburn Rovers. We just simulate this game. It's a 3-0 win. I think saying RIYAD MAHREZ was the key play we needed. To avoid to move on to the semi-finals. He may not show up in any stats, but he's scoring. I'm going to check this next. He's played 2 games, he scored 2 goals, and only assisted once. Okay, I'll see why. This. Chance for Pierre to score it. Okay, I have missaid his name there. Goes into there. Yet another goal. But we can just have one player carrying the whole team. We also gotta have some other players to carry the team. Brass get knocked out of the Carabao Cup. The only trophy I can win right now is just the league. Since we're definitely getting promoted. Intimidated by the defense. Boom. You cannot fool a player like this. Henry Wish. Oh my days, he scored it. Despite he has less energy, is 5-0 to Leicester. We'll show up on the this thing because someone needs to stop the videos. We faced Liverpool in the FA Cup. Some of our players are not match fit, but I'm going to rotate this team so that we can have Vardy, Shirban left. We're playing all of our highest potential players. Yeah, this is going to be hard. This is Liverpool of all teams. So us getting a chance is just going to be hope. Okay, they have the first chance. It's Musala running down the wing. Oh! Okay. 1-0 Liverpool. But we get a chance. I'll say to RIYAD MAHREZ to probably get us a goal back. Never mind. Oh, we're back in the game. The game is leveled. We need a chance. Liverpool get a chance. Is Alexis McAllister? We cleared the ball. We cleared the ball out. That was great defending, even though I did nothing. Okay, second half started. We get a chance. We may actually go to the semi-finals. Another goal. Jamie Vardy. 2 goals for Jamie. We actually got another chance. Can we score this chance? Crosses it to Jamie. And it's a hat-trick. Jamie Vardy with a hat-trick. 3-1. 3-1 here in the King Power Stadium. Never forget another chance. Luis Diaz. We clear the ball out. We got another chance. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, that really wasn't good, but still. If we can beat Liverpool like this, we can actually survive the Premier League for in our first season. Despite the number of chances they've had. We might actually survive the Premier League. They got another chance. Okay, we're defending well. But if I win the Carabao Cup, the board has to back me up with a lot of money, man. Jamie Vardy with a hat trick. Second top goal scorer. Meaning, Jamie Vardy carried us to the semi-finals of the Carabao Cup. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna play this. We're just gonna play this game, and we're going to wrap the video up. But semi-finals of the Carabao Cup. Semi-finals of the Carabao Cup. Let's just record this last game. They got a penalty. They missed it. You got us another chance. Oh my days, but still we got it in. Can we actually win the Carabao Cup? We'll find out in the next video. Bro, next video is going to be us going through the Carabao Cup. Oh no, Jamie's injured. This better not be a long-term injury. He carried us to the final, but he might retire sometime, so we're going to have to find a backup striker who has the same rating as Jamie, but younger. So we can probably develop some players who are probably almost at the same rating as Jamie. Alright, 4-0. 4-0. But I still can't believe we're going to the Carabao. We're in the semi-finals of the Carabao Cup. Bro, this is a dream come true. Bro, I need to win this. As a Manchester United fan, winning the Carabao Cup is in my blood. I'm past the goalkeeper, but I don't want to do that stupid idea. But it still goes in. Jamie Vardy is showing that not only one player can carry the team. Bro, we're ready for the Premier League. We're the only EFL Championship team in this whole competition. Tapping. But still are winning. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. We beat Liverpool in the Carabao Cup quarterfinals. We're in the semi-finals, meaning we're going to face Newcastle, which are set in 7th, Chelsea 3rd, and Spurs in the 9th place. Spurs beat City. The Carabao Cup just has a different vibe. Oh, James out for 5 weeks, meaning he's going to miss the first leg of the Carabao Cup. What are we going to do? Oh, we'll find out on the next video.